Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel. Do you have friends?
Yes, I have a few friends.
Are there toys on the shelf?
No, only few toys are there.
Do you see birds?
Yes, a few birds are flying.
Are there pencils in your box?
Very few pencils are left.
Do you have crayons?
Yes, I have a few crayons.
Are there chairs in the room?
Just a few chairs.
Do you have books?
Sadly, I have few books.
Are there apples in the basket?
Yes, a few apples are there.
Do you have toys?
I have few toys to play with.
Are there balls in the bag?
Yes, I found a few balls.
Do you know poems?
Yes, I can say a few poems.
Are there sweets left?
Very few sweets are left.
Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have a few cousins.
Are there pens on the table?
No, only few pens are there.
Do you have marbles?
Yes, I have a few marbles.
Are there buses on the road?
Just a few buses today.
Do you know English words?
Yes, I know a few words.
Are there flowers in the garden?
No, very few flowers are there.
Do you have games on your phone?
Yes, I have a few games.
Are there stars in the sky?
Yes, a few stars are shining.
Do you have coins?
Yes, I have a few coins.
Are there toys in the box?
Very few toys are left.
Do you know stories?
Yes, I know a few stories.
Are there books in the library?
No, very few books are there.
Do you have dolls?
Yes, I have a few dolls.
Are there trees in the park?
Yes, a few trees are tall.
Do you see monkeys?
Just a few monkeys.
Are there clouds in the sky?
Very few clouds today.
Do you have stickers?
Yes, I have a few stickers.
Are there buses at the stop?
No, only few buses came.
Do you see cats?
Yes, I see a few cats.
Are there dogs in the street?
Very few dogs are here.
Do you have pencils?
Yes, I have a few pencils.
Are there chairs in the hall?
Sadly, few chairs are there.
Do you know songs?
Yes, I can sing a few songs.
Are there children in the park?
Very few children came today.
Do you have bananas?
Yes, I have a few bananas.
Are there toys on the bed?
No, very few toys are there.
Do you see cars on the road?
Yes, I see a few cars.
Are there buses in the city?
Just few buses at night.
Do you have notebooks?
Yes, I have a few notebooks.
Are there pencils on the desk?
Very few pencils are there.
Do you see birds in the tree?
Yes, a few birds are sitting.
Are there oranges in the basket?
No, few oranges are left.
Do you have balls?
Yes, I have a few balls.
Are there buses outside?
Sadly, few buses are here.
Do you see ants?
Yes, a few ants are moving.
Are there books in the bag?
Very few books are inside.
Are there kids at the party?
No, very few kids came.
Do you have cupcakes? Yes, I baked a few cupcakes. Are there fish in the pond?
No, very few fish are there.
Do you know games?
Yes, I know a few games.
Are there books in the shop?
Sadly, few books are there.
Do you see stars?
Yes, I see a few stars.
Are there chairs in the garden?
No, only few chairs are there.
Do you have dolls?
Yes, I have a few dolls.
Are there pens in the case?
Very few pens are left.
Do you see birds in the park?
Yes, I see a few birds.
Are there toys in the room?
Sadly, few toys are there.
Do you have markers?
Yes, I have a few markers.
Are there spoons on the table?
Very few spoons are there.
Do you see butterflies?
Yes, I see a few butterflies.
Are there buses today?
Sadly, few buses are running.
Do you have rulers?
Yes, I have a few rulers.
Are there chairs in the hall?
No, very few chairs are there.
Do you have books to read?
Yes, I have a few books.
Are there children outside?
Sadly, few children are playing.
Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have a few cousins.
Are there toys on the ground?
No, only few toys are there.
Do you know animals?
Yes, I know a few animals.
Are there birds on the roof?
Very few birds are sitting.
Do you have storybooks?
Yes, I have a few storybooks.
Are there flowers in the pot?
Sadly, few flowers are blooming.
Do you see balls in the yard?
Yes, I see a few balls.
Are there stars tonight?
No, very few stars are shining.
Do you have chocolates?
Yes, I have a few chocolates.
Are there pens in the drawer?
Sadly, few pens are there.
Do you know games to play?
Yes, I know a few games.
Are there birds in the sky?
Very few birds are flying.
Do you have a license?
Yes, I have a few erasers.
Are there buses at night?
No, only few buses run.
Do you have pens?
Yes, I have a few pens.
Are there pencils in the case?
Very few pencils are left.
Do you see clouds?
Yes, a few clouds are there.
Are there chairs in the class?
Sadly, few chairs are there.
Do you know songs?
Yes, I can sing a few songs.
Are there children at school?
No, very few children came.
Do you have bananas?
Yes, I have a few bananas.
Are there birds in the garden?
Sadly, few birds are here.
Do you have toys to play?
Yes, I have a few toys.
Are there books in the bag?
No, very few books are there.
Do you know English words?
Yes, I know a few words.
Are there buses in the morning?
Sadly, few buses come early.
Do you have cupcakes?
Yes, I baked a few cupcakes.
Are there pencils on the desk?
Very few pencils are here.
Do you see stars in the sky?
Yes, I see a few stars.
Are there chairs in the park?
Sadly, few chairs are there.
Do you have stickers?
Yes, I have a few stickers.
Are there children in the playground?
No, very few children are there.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.